My name is Dr. Dayton Campbell. I'm a young man that originates from out of the Bamboo area, where I went to the Bamboo All-Age School. Later I went on to Ferncourt High and then Brownstown Community College. I'm currently a medical doctor, also in the middle of pursuing a law degree, and I've worked for 2 years at the St. Anne's Bay Hospital. I've returned home to represent the people of Northwest St. Anne, and our initial research has shown us the main areas of concern. At the top of the list we have the infrastructural issues, really the road network and the water issues. Second issue on the list is unemployment, then comes education, healthcare, followed by skills training for the youth, and also community centers and the recreational facilities. It is my desire to bring effective representation to the people of Northwest St. Anne.